What's their name? It's time to share. Who are we about to meet? It's the Patriot of the Week.
James Otis Jr. was born in 1725 in West Barnstable, Massachusetts. He was a lawyer, politician, and one of the earliest leaders in America's road to independence. Otis studied law at Harvard University and became a respected attorney. He believed strongly in individual rights and railed against arbitrary power. In 1761, he gained national attention during a court case opposing the British government's use of writs of assistance, broad search warrants that allowed officials to enter homes and businesses without specific cause or permission. Otis argued that these writs violated the natural rights of the colonists, making an impassioned speech that inspired many, including a young John Adams, who credited Otis as a key influence in the Revolution. Adams would later call Otis's speech as the birth of American independence. Otis later wrote essays that criticized British policies like the Stamp Act and explained why taxation without representation is tyranny. He argued that the property of Americans could only be taxed by Parliament if colonists were represented in Parliament. Although Otis's later years were marked by personal struggles, including declining mental health, his early contributions were pivotal and influential. His arguments laid the intellectual foundation for independence from Britain, and taxation without representation is tyranny would become a rallying cry for the colonists' fight for independence. Otis died in 1783 after being struck by lightning, but before his death, he learned that America had won the Revolutionary War. And while he died before the Constitutional Convention, his inspirational words that explained power is originally and ultimately in the people, and that individual rights were inalienable, a gift from God, not governments, would later be guiding principles in the U.S. Constitution.